What if one of the simplest ways to calm your body and reduce pain and help your system shift into healing was something you could do anytime, anywhere, without any equipment at all? It's something you've probably done before without even thinking about it. It is humming. And today I want to show you how to use humming in a way that actually supports your nervous system so your body can begin to soften and your pain can begin to ease. Because this isn't just about making a sound, it's about sending your body a signal that it's safe. This is Wellness by Design. I'm your host, Jane Hogan, the Wellness Engineer. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a longtime listener, thank you. I'm deeply grateful for you and for helping Wellness by Design become a top 3% podcast in alternative health in the world. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to help this content reach more people. I'll see you inside the episode. Today on Wellness by Design, I'm talking about humming, the why and the how humming can help you lower pain in your body. Now, there's actually quite a bit of science behind humming. It creates vibration in the body and it helps activate that parasympathetic state of the nervous system, which is the rest, digest, repair state. And it can even increase nitric oxide levels. Now, nitric oxide supports circulation and reduces inflammation. In fact, humming produces 15 times more nitric oxide than just breathing. I go deeper into all of that in my free guide, The Healing Power of Humming. You can just use the link to download it. But today, I want to focus on something even more important, and that is how to experience humming in your body in a way that actually creates change. Because here's what I see all the time. People try humming like it's a technique. They do it for a few seconds, maybe they don't feel very much, and they think, well, that didn't work. But your nervous system doesn't respond to just a technique, it responds to felt experience. So today I'm going to guide you through a simple humming practice that helps your body receive the vibration and begin to shift into a state of calm. All right, so we're going to do this guided practice together. It's kind of in yoga called a bee breath style. But you don't have to know yoga or have done it before to do this. So let's try to do this together. And as you do this, just let go of trying to do anything right. You're not trying to fix anything. You're simply allowing your body to experience something new. Okay, so let's get comfortable. So just get comfortable wherever you are. If you feel like closing your eyes and just listening, you can do that, but it's okay if you don't. So begin by just taking a slow breath in through your nose and an exhale out through your mouth. And again, inhale through the nose. And then exhale. Let the body soften a little. Now, let's start with basic humming. On your next inhale, and then as you exhale, I want you to gently hum, soft, easy hum. So inhale, exhale, just let it be natural, not forced. And notice where you feel that vibration in your body. Maybe you feel it in your lips, your face, your chest. So let's try it again. Inhale. Exhale. Notice where you feel it. Let's do it again. Inhale through your nose and hum on the exhale, noticing where you feel it. Inhale. Exhale. And you might notice that you feel it in different places. You can play around with, do I feel it more in my chest, or do I feel it more in my lips? Do I feel it in my throat? Just play around with it. So that's the beginning part. Just notice the feeling that you're feeling, that vibration. So now we're going to do it again. And this time I want you to see if you can feel the sound, not just make the sound. Okay. So let the vibration be something your body receives. So let's try it again. Inhale, exhale. Another way you can try to feel this is to bring your hands gently over your ears. So you can either kind of put your thumbs in so that they're just pushing on that soft cartilage, and so that you're not hearing it, you're feeling it. Okay, so it's going to go like this. I'll just demonstrate for you. And you can close your eyes as well. Sometimes that helps. So we're going to inhale, exhale with a hum, covering up the ears. And then you can also play around with covering your eyes if you want to. In fact, in yoga, there's a mudra that does this, but you don't need to know that. It's just can feel you're going to cover your ears and then cover your eyes if you want to, or you can just put your fingers up here and just close your eyes. So let's do that together. Inhale through the nose. Exhale with a hum, covering your ears. Take a pause. Breathe. And now let's do that again. Inhale and then exhale with a hum, covering up your ears. Inhale. Exhale. And did you notice you could feel the vibration more in your body? So there's no judgment here. Just notice if you do, if you didn't, or you're not sure, doesn't matter. What matters here is that you are tuning in. You're tuning into your body. Okay, so now I want to do another round of humming. And this time round, as you hum, I want you to imagine that this humming sound is sending a message of safety to your body. So if you think about it, when people hum, they're usually feeling happy and joyful. And so you can intentionally hum to send that message. Because humming is a natural sound that we do when we feel safe. So we're kind of working in reverse here. We're sending a message of safety by creating the humming sound intentionally. Okay, so let's just think about this as you hum this time. You can even imagine saying in your mind, I'm safe. I feel good. So these kinds of words as you are exhaling with the hum. Okay, so let's do the first round together. Remember, on the hum, you are thinking about, I am safe, I am happy. Okay, so inhale through the nose, exhale with a hum and safety. Inhale. Exhale. Feeling that feeling of safety. I'm noticing myself naturally smiling as I do that. Maybe you are too. Let's try it again. Another one. So inhale, exhale on the hum with a feeling of happiness, safety. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. It's okay to soften. Okay, let's do one more. And then again, we're sending a message of safety. It's okay to soften. I can feel good. Inhale. Exhale. I'm opening to softening and safety. And now let's just take a moment to feel your body. So I'll just invite you to relax your hands on your lap or at your sides, whatever feels comfortable, and gently close your eyes, and then let the breath return to normal. No humming now, and just notice the sensations in your body. What's changed for you? Is there a shift? Even the smallest shift. Just notice what you're noticing. Maybe there's a little more space, a little more ease, a little more softness. I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments if you've noticed that you're feeling a little bit softer, a little bit more at ease. Maybe you even feel a little bit more enlivened in your body. Maybe you've gotten more in touch with your body. A lot of times we're in our head, and humming can help us get more in our body. It's a very soothing vibration. Remember that we are all energy. We're made up of energy, and it's just energy that's vibrating at a certain frequency. And we can use humming to change that frequency to a frequency that's sending a message to all of our cells, every single cell in your body, that things are well. I am calm. It's safe for me to hum. I'm so safe that I can hum. And don't forget about that nitric oxide too. That is so powerful. It opens up airways. It will allow your body to absorb more oxygen. It will help that oxygen get to every cell in your body more easily. It lowers inflammation. And all of this calms the nervous system. And that is how your body begins to release pain. When the nervous system is calm, you shift over into that parasympathetic state, the rest, digest, repair state. That is the only state in which your brain, your body, your nervous system gets the message, and every single cell in your body gets the message. It's okay to carry on as normal, and it's okay to focus on healing, because I'm not being chased by a tiger. Because our nervous system thinks that if we are not feeling safe and in that parasympathetic state, it thinks we're in mortal danger, we're running away from a tiger, we're fighting for our life. In that state, it's not concerned with your immune system. It's not concerned even with digestion. It's not concerned with repairing. It has to hang on to pain or whatever else is going on. It thinks you're fighting for your life. So what we want to do is shift into that state, the parasympathetic state, that rest, digest, repair state, the relaxation response of the nervous system as much as we can. The more we can do it, the more we're promoting healing, the more our body can let go of pain. So I hope you enjoyed that. And if you would like to get my humming guide, there is a link below. Or you can go to thewellnessengineer.com/humming and I'll send it to you. So this is something you can come back to anytime. When your pain feels louder, when your body feels tense or guarded, or even as a daily practice to support your nervous system. And here's the beautiful thing. You're not forcing your body to change. You're simply giving it a signal it understands. So go ahead and get my humming guide. And I've also got in it a really interesting insight about what key you can hum in to make it even more powerful, and a list of songs that are in that key so that you can just hum those songs as you go about your day as well. Also inside the guide, I walk you through the science behind why this works, and again, that key that can make humming even more effective for you. Okay, that's thewellnessengineer.com/humming to get your guide. So what is the one thing you can do today that's going to shift your body into that healing state? Practice this. Practice this again. Do it again today. Just take a few minutes and just sit there humming. Remember to tune into the sensations in your body. See if you can let yourself soften. Tell your body it's safe to soften. And then do it again tomorrow and the next day. Just keep repeating. So thank you so much for joining me on Wellness by Design today. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Please share this episode with one person, a friend or a family member who needs this, who needs to have this sense of calm. And maybe you can practice humming together. All right, I'll see you again in the next episode of Wellness by Design.